Today we got a Fiat 500. It's a 2009 model with roughly 30,000 miles on the clock, and it's fitted with the 1.2 petrol engine. So I've just serviced this Fiat 500. It's important to reset the warning on the dashboard, which comes up yearly. This car's come in a little bit early, so we haven't got the warning on the dashboard, but what you will get is the yellow triangle down there, and you'll have a message in the middle where it gives you the date saying oil due or service now. We're going to run through a procedure to reset that. Right, now this procedure needs to be done all within 10 seconds. I'm going to turn the ignition on just so you've got all of the lights on the dashboard. We're not actually going to start the engine, and depress and release the accelerator pedal 3 times, turn the ignition off and turn it back on again. So, right, here we go. Ignition on, 1, 2, 3. Release, ignition off, ignition back on again. Obviously we didn't have the message up in the first place, but the reason I'm doing it is so, you know, 2 or 3 weeks time when the customer's got it, the message doesn't pop up. It's given it another year from today's date. Thanks for watching. If you find our videos helpful, please hit like and subscribe to help us out. Nice one.